Namaskaram. Just came home attending Pureathon 2022. It was a 2K 5K run to spread awareness about women's menstrual health. And we Save Soil volunteers got an opportunity to be a part of the event, for which I am very thankful to the organizers. Yes, menstruation matters. When it comes to women's menstrual health, there are so many things that we can do. Spreading awareness about it, educating people about it, bursting this myth that menstruation is a taboo and talking about it openly, providing free services, and last but not the least, telling people about the importance of hygiene and nutrition when it comes to women's health. Studies clearly show that lack of some important vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and iron can cause serious menstrual disorders. But why are women not getting proper nutrition? What is the problem? Do you know that the amount of vitamin A that our grandparents used to get from one orange, we have to eat 8 oranges to get the same amount of nutrition? And do you know that lots of mental and physical ailments that we are facing nowadays are consequences of lack of micronutrients in soil? Our health and soil health are directly related. To produce nutritious food, there should be minimum 3 to 6% organic content in soil. But you will be surprised to know that not even a single nation in the world matches that requirement. Indian soil has 0.6% organic content. To understand how critical the problem is, let us first watch this video.
What we are facing now is soil extinction. In most countries, more than 50% of the topsoil is already gone. Every responsible scientist in the world is clearly saying by 2045, we will be producing 40% less food and our populations will be 9.2 billion. It is foolish to think that only the poor in the world will be affected. No, it will affect every human being on the planet because civilizations will collapse, civil wars will unfold once there is food shortage. This is not just about us because we are already using the soil of the unborn child. This is a terrible world that we are envisioning for ourselves and we are creating, but this can be turned around. This is why the Save Soil movement, to bring about a policy change to regenerate soil in 192 democratic nations.
We all have fed on our mother's milk, haven't we? Do we call her a resource or is she a source of life for us? Soil is mother of our mothers. Is it right to treat soil as a resource? It's time we burst this myth that soil is an inert substance which can be fixed by adding or removing chemicals from it. So, to rejuvenate soil across the world, Sadhguru started the Save Soil movement. He has given many valuable solutions like a 3-tier incentive-based system for the farmers to encourage them increase organic content in soil by 3 to 6%. He has also come up with a Save Soil handbook for different nations which can help them improve the quality of their soil. Till now, 81 nations have shown their support for Save Soil. So, as women, what can we do to save soil? Let's see what Sadhguru says about it.
We're looking at how can we involve women as leaders in climate actions, how can we save soil and what can we do together in that aspect.
When this motorcycle journey is being flagged off, we are making a 7 or 8-year-old little girl flag it off. Unfortunately, adults have come to this place where if I see him, I will see what country he belongs to, what race is he, what religion is he, what caste is he, what creed is he, all this nonsense. But when they see a child, a girl child, I believe people's hearts will become little more tender. So, it's very important women take it up because their concern for future generation is much more than the masculine concern. If you want to say, I love you to your child, you must just say Save Soil because it is a more committed way of saying I love you.
So now, as students, office-going folks or elderly people, how can we help save soil? Well, we have a very powerful tool in our hands, which is social media. Until government implements policies to save soil, we should keep on sharing about it on our social media platforms, be it Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. Spending just 1 minute daily can help in reaching out to hundreds of people. This is how a democracy works, right? We have to raise our voice till it reaches people in power. Talk to people around you and help in creating awareness, if not for us, at least for generations to come. If you wish to know in detail what has been done so far, what we are planning to do and how you can contribute more, you can visit www.savesoil.org. Sadhguru says, Save Soil movement is a love affair with the land and lives around us, not a fight with anyone. Save soil, Let's make it happen.